so many money today. I want to buy some sweets. Hi, I want to order something. Do you have pancakes? What's the flavor? Juice? You have juice? What juice do you have?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, I'm gonna order some orange smoothie. And then pancake with syrup. And I want some with cream and banana.
Okay, what cream do you want?
How much?
$1.
No, this one. Get so many. I'll wait for my order. Okay.
Here you go, sir. Oh, your banana fell down. Sorry, sir. Here, get the banana. Here you
Wow.
go, bananas.
I have pancakes and orange juice. Do you have a spoon? Oh, thank you, sir. I'm going to eat now.